Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to enable quick passes on YouTube. It's very simple and easy. Now let's start. First, open YouTube app on your phone. Then tap on U button. This is located on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on gear icon. This is located on the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on billing and payments. You can see here there are an option that is enable quick passes. Now turn this on. After tapping on turn on, you can got an warning. Just one more step. You need to put your password here to verify. Now type your password. To privacy purpose, I hide my password. Now tap on verify. See here, quick passes is now enabled. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech tutorials like this. Thank you.